Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about inserting files. Before that, about yesterday's video on the day 6, we discussed how to insert an image, the visible image on the OneNote, and how to use this screen clipping option. So within the insert, how to use this screen clipping option and how it will paste automatically image on the OneNote, and after pasting image, how we can search the words, we can search the word within the image. So that and all we can do using a word note. So if you want to see that, you can use this day 6 video. And today we are going to discuss about how to insert a file, the Excel file and any other word file. So for inserting a file, what are we going to do is from the insert, let's say file attachment, and let's try to insert an image first. So we have inserted an image. So this is one way, or you can insert the visible image as well. And if I insert one more file, let's say from the test, I have one more Excel file, which is, yeah. So here, when I try to attach a Excel, this is I'm attaching a Excel. In that, it will give me an option. I want to attach a Excel attach file, which will be something like this, and insert the spreadsheet. So it will give me a spreadsheet format, or insert a chart. So let me insert attach a file now. So I have attached this one, test Excel file. So the original file is here. See the test Excel. I'll open it for you. This is the original file. So I've just, for testing purpose, I have just mentioned the team A, B, C, and the medals, gold, silver, and the bronze. This is just a testing file, and you can see the numbers here. So it's like within the 2 digits. So what I'll do is I'll just close this, and I'll go back to OneNote. So now I'll show you one thing. Let's say I have attached this file here, right? Now if I open this file from here, it will give me an warning message, harmful and all. I'll click OK. So this file is open. You see the same digits are here within the 2 digits. So for testing, what I'll do is I'll edit this number. Let's say 8, right? I'll add as multiple zeros. So I'll make it 8000. Okay. Now let's say I've edited this file. Now I'm going to save this. So now I have edited this file and saved it, and now closed it. So this is the file I have attached from the desktop. So original file is still there on the desktop. Now I have edited this file. Now let's see the original file which is there on the desktop. So here is the original file. If I open this, see here it's still 8. The original file is not modified. It shows still 8 only. So I'll just go back to the OneNote. Let's open this one. See here it's edited. So it will edit the file which is there on the OneNote only. It will not edit the original file. Now we just used this one. Let me remove this. I'll just remove the entire file. I'll delete this. I'll move it up. Now I'll insert a file in a different format. So I'll insert the same file. Let me open this. So in this time I'm going to add a spreadsheet. See, it will be visible here, this format. So either you can attach into the just a file, or you can attach into this one exit, and here from here you can edit. But if you click on edit, it will open in a Excel application. So I would this OneNote is I would say I don't recommend it using this Excel, creating and preparing a Excel in a OneNote. So this is just for testing purpose. I've showed you, but I'm not personally I'm not using this any Excel modification or attachment in a OneNote. It just if you need it. So what I would recommend is just uh, you can use what I would recommend is you should use a SharePoint link like this. So something like this. You can just use a SharePoint, which when you click here, it should open the link on a centralized SharePoint file or a Google Cloud or somewhere, so that everyone can see and modify there. And just one more thing I wanted to show you is a table from the insert. You can use this table similar to the Excel option we have. See, once you select it, it will automatically uh, create a table here. So you can just use the team. Similar table I'm going to create here. Go middle and uh, let's say if I hit a tab, it's coming down. So now I need one more column next to it. So what I'm going to do is table, right? Delete here, insert row and column. Insert column on the right. Yep, and sounds better. So this way you can create it. Yes, and let's say I have created this, right? And what I can do is let me show you this one. Now what I can do is I have this table here. I can use this option, convert to the Excel spreadsheet. So when you just need to click arrow in any of this column or row and just hit here. It may take 1 or 2 seconds and it will convert into a spreadsheet. So these are the feature you might want to use. So this is what I wanted to show you for this video. And if you like this video, I mean, this was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. It's a small thing for you, but it helps me. Thank you.